Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use voice direction in Google Maps. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Maps application. Just click on it and the Google Map application will open right in front of you. When you have accessed the interface of Google Maps, you just have to look on the top of the screen. There will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar. Now you just have to search for a particular location with voice direction that you want. So just click on that particular location or search for that location. And when you have searched for that location, you just have to look on the bottom of the screen. There will be a taskbar with multiple options. So you just have to click on that start button. And when you click on the start button, again another 3 different options will be shown to you. So again you just have to click on the start button and you have to press on that OK button. And when you have done that, then your voice direction is enabled and you will be able to use voice direction in your Google Maps. So this is how you can easily use voice direction in Google Maps. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.